Now today's topic is to find the equation for position time relation. This is also known as second equation. Equation for position time relation. Position is showing that there will be a distance covered by a body. We will take the same graph that we have taken for the first equation, that the object is moving with initial velocity u and its final velocity is v. Then we have drawn line BDC, that is parallel to y axis from B, and this BE is parallel to x axis. This AD is parallel to x axis. Time is taken along x axis and velocity in meter per second is taken along y axis. This was the graph that we had done in finding the first equation also. Now see what is given. Let us suppose that an object has travelled a distance s in time t under uniform acceleration a. This graph is for the uniform acceleration and the object has covered distance s in time t. From the above figure, the distance travelled by an object is obtained by area enclosed within OABC. The area enclosed between OABC. As I had mentioned in previous video, that the distance or displacement covered is given by the area under the line AB. Area under the line AB is AOCB. Now this area can be found out by finding the area of the triangle plus area of rectangle. Now area of this triangle will be half of AD into DB, and area of this rectangle will be AO into OC. Now what is AD? AD is T. And what is BD? BD is V minus U. Now we will put these values in the equation, that is half of AD into DB, half of base into height. It is the area of triangle, and area of rectangle is length into breadth. OC into OA. OC is T and OA is U. Now we come to the point here. See here, S is area OABC, which is a trapezium obviously, but this trapezium can be considered into two parts: area of rectangle OADC and area of triangle ABD. Now area of rectangle is OA into OC, just now I have explained, and area of triangle is half of base into height, that is AD into BD. Now we put the values. OA is U. See here, OA is U and BD is V minus U. Now we will put the values. OC is T. OA into OC plus half of AD into BD. OA is U, OC is AD is equal to T, and BD is equal to V minus U. BD is equal to V minus U. In our first equation of motion, we have proved that V minus U is equal to AT. See here, we have proved here V minus U is equal to AT. Then instead of using V minus U, we can use AT also. Now by substituting these values, we get S is equal to UT plus half A into T. UT plus half AD is how much? AD is T. UT plus half T into AT. BD was equal to V minus U, and from first equation V minus U was equal to AT, that we have put the value. Then we get S is equal to UT plus half T into AT. Now we will open the bracket. Then from here we get ut plus half a t into t is square of t, half at square, then s is equal to ut plus half at square. It is the second equation and it is also named as position time relation. Here distance and here time, then we get position time relation. Now we will do the third equation in the next video.